So we are going to start your new module 2, that is AC circuit. Okay. So AC circuit, as you know, one thing we are having DC and another we are having AC. DC is the direct current and AC is the alternating current. Alternating current, that means that current changes at each and every point of the time, right? So basically, how this AC voltage produced? This AC voltage produced through the generator, and we are having, like, if I'll say it about the AC, if you want to study more about the AC, then AC waveform is the like this. It starts from 0 degree, it changes its cycle to 180 degree, and it's complete its cycle at 360 degree. Okay. It goes maximum up to how much? That is 90 degree. This is the time period, and this is, we can say, it is voltage or current. So it goes up to maximum voltage if, then that is denoted by V max, and that is the peak, or we can say peak value or the amplitude value. We are having one relationship between the RMS value and the maximum value. See, what is RMS? That you have studied in the 12th class also. RMS stands for root mean square. You know what is RMS? VRMS is equal to how much? That is Vmax divided by root 2. So what does mean RMS? RMS means at every instant of time will measure the value of voltage. Like suppose this one is V1, this one is V2, this one is V3, and then V4, then V5, and then again up to Vn. So VRMS would be equal to root of V1 का square plus V2 का square plus V3 का square plus up to so on Vn का square divided by n. Why? Because its value is root. Okay, then we have to take mean and then square, that is root mean square. Got it? So this is the VRMS. There is one relationship between the RMS and the maximum, that is VRMS is equal to Vmax by root, or we can say IRMS is equal to Imax by root 2. Got it? Sometimes they'll ask you the average value also. So V average would be equal to 2 V max divided by 5. So all these are the formulas which you need to remember. Similarly, we can calculate I average. I average is equal to 2 I max divided by 5. Got it? Now in the next case, generally what they'll ask from you, they'll ask you the form factor. Form factor is denoted by KF, and formula for the form factor is V RMS divided by V average. Okay. Similarly, we are having another term, that is peak factor. Peak factor is denoted by KP, and formula for that would be V max divided by V RMS, that you need to learn. So I just told you what is the VRMS in terms of Vmax. Tell me. VRMS is how much? Vmax divided by root 2. And V average is how much? That is 2 Vmax divided by pi, right? So Vmax would be cancelled out. What would be the left term? That is pi divided by 2 root 2. Correct? If we'll solve it, then we'll get the value of 1.11. Similarly, we can substitute the value of here also, that is Vmax divided by VRMS is also Vmax divided by root 2. So again Vmax would be cancelled out, answer would be root 2. Root 2 is how much? 1.414. So always we have to remember form factor is 1.11 and its formula, peak factor is 1.414 and its formula. Okay. So based on these formulas, we'll get a waveform type question. Like you can get a sinusoidal waveform like this, or you can get a full complete AC waveform like this, or you can get a triangle shape waveform like this, or you can get a triangle shape waveform like this. So this kind of question they'll ask you which was based on these kinds of formula. Got it?